How do you erase error codes in a Trane 1050 thermostat?
What happened just before your Trane thermostat displayed this message?
I am a technician. I have installed a 1518 in my home. I keep getting error code 67.06. I have tested pressures and even made it where the heat pump can only operate at 40% or better. Now I want to erase error codes to see if it still comes up. I know I need another return. Technically it has enough. It's at 18 inches for a 3-ton, but I think I need another. But right now I would like to get these error codes out.
What have you tried so far with your Trane thermostat?
I actually went to indoor and outdoor and thought I cleared all codes on them, but I don't know why codes won't clear out of that stat.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
For right now, just clear codes out.
Hello. My name is Vay. Got 10 plus years in the HVAC/appliance industry. I've worked on everything from 1200-ton chillers down to residential aux, generators and appliances. Please read everything I'm posting before responding. There's important info about JustAnswer. I will be happy to assist you with your issue, but note that phone requests are automatically generated by a computer. I don't send them to you. If you don't want them, then don't accept them, and I'll help through text. Please do not let a request from a website affect your rating on me as an expert. I'm simply here to help people like you. Please bear with me in my replies as I am a service tech working in the field. Usually error codes have a letter and number designation. Don't see anything for 67.06. Would you mind snapping a photo of what you're seeing and upload it to our chat box? Thanks, Tamar. Okay, I was able to dig up some information. You still there?
Yeah, what you got?
You're getting that error during normal operation, correct? 67.06 means the suction temp sensor is faulting out in the cooling mode, could be shorted, out of range, or the circuit itself is open. I don't think you can clear the fault. Need to check into the sensor and whether it's actually bad. If it's not, there may be an issue with the board. Hopefully that was helpful and at least pointing you in the right direction.
Thank you. That's my thought on the issue. It is the board.
No worries. If you had another question, feel free to ask it now and I'll do my best to reply ASAP. Otherwise, all I ask is that you take just a few seconds and remember to rate the question with 5 stars on the top left. That way JustAnswer will credit me as the expert for answering your question. If we don't get ratings, we won't get credit. Equals if you have another question after rating pertaining to what we talked about, you can ask it after rating free of charge. Thanks. Tamar.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.